Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So first I want to say hi to everyone, check in. This has been a very loaded week or so with everything happening in the news and around the world. I wanted to make sure I did address that. It's been a very challenging, difficult time, especially for people of color. It's a great time as well because everyone is speaking out on their feelings and we're all hearing each other. And I think that's the first step in healing, is hearing each other. I send my love, support to everyone, especially people who are having just a difficult time understanding, processing, healing, moving forward. And yes, I am an advocate for change and equality for everyone. You know, I've shared my thoughts and feelings with my family and friends on my platform, as I mentioned in one of my previous videos where I shared with you my story. I explained my platform here is a positive one, and I'm trying to create an atmosphere that is light, that is easygoing for people to come tune in. And now that I have committed to being a full-time content creator, I cannot stop now and take a break. I have to push through. So bear with me as I push through this difficult time we're all experiencing. I'm going to be doing my best in creating my content. I just want you to know this is part of what I have to do, is to push through and keep being myself, keep being me. We all can help and contribute in our own ways, and we have to be sure that we're doing that. So whether the contribution you can give is donating, then donate. If you can get out and physically protest and you want to protest and march, that is your right and you should go out. I think as a content creator, as a Black woman, as someone who is in support of this cause, my role is to make sure I'm more conscious in my content and what I'm sharing and brands that I want to uplift and share with you guys. So if you're following me on Instagram, then you would have known that my IGTV video that went up this past Sunday was in support of a Black owned business, a business that was created by a Black woman, and I absolutely love the products. And I was so happy and excited to share it with you guys on my IGTV. If you haven't seen that, go over to IG and check it out. And I think as content creators, that's something where we can be more mindful of the brands we're sharing, the products we're sharing, and making sure we're being inclusive. And also at a time like this, definitely supporting and promoting Black businesses, especially Black women, as I am a Black woman. Also on Instagram, I'm doing the pull-up challenge, guys. So I'm challenging you guys as well as a way to show support. If you're not subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button right now. It's totally free to subscribe. Support me and subscribe. Support me and share. Support me and like. Support me and comment. I think that's an easy way to do something that would benefit a Black woman. And in turn, my voice grows larger. You supporting me makes my audience grow larger. And with that, giving me a bigger platform. And with that, giving me a stronger voice. So just supporting someone is a great way to be a part of it if you don't know what to do. Hit subscribe. That's a start. I'm not saying that's all you should do, but it's definitely a start. And I would appreciate it. And I definitely want to grow my platform, guys. I am so close to becoming a YouTube partner. I have met all the other qualifications. I am simply having to get to a subscriber count, and I'm very close. If you're not already subscribed, pull up. So thank you for hearing me out. I needed to address that. I had to say something. And so in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a YouTube classic. We all love these videos. If you're into handbags, if you're into lifestyle and fashion, you are going to love this one. I am doing the old school classic, What's in My Bag. When I was deciding what to film, I said I have to go classic YouTube and do a What's in My Bag. And how perfect of a time to share with you guys what I'm carrying around in my Marc Jacobs mini pillow bag in the color cotton. This has been kind of my everyday bag, guys, which is only to run errands or go to the grocery store. But still, this has been my bag of choice. It's effortless. You just throw it over your shoulders. It's a great crossbody. It's super cute. And let me show you all what I'm carrying around in my mini Marc Jacobs pillow bag. So let's get into the video. So first things first, I don't have my phone in there right now, but I always kind of tuck it in the back right here. So that's where my phone is usually. I don't have it in there now because obviously I've been home all day, but this is where I store my phone when I'm carrying this bag, right in that back pocket. As a reminder, that back pocket does have a little magnetic closure. As I have the iPhone XS Max and I have a Marc Jacobs case on it, which I love. I just got this actually. Let's get into what's inside my bag. So you flip it up, that's everything down in there. It's kind of like a quarantine edition of what's in my bag because some of these things I would not carry around regularly. First thing, just to get out of the way, is a mask. So I keep a fresh mask in a Ziploc bag. So the next thing are my keys. So this is my Louis Vuitton 4-key ring holder. You guys have seen this many of times if you've been following me. The same key ring holder. I love this little SLG, but yeah, my keys. Next thing is my wallet. So this is my Saint Laurent card case. I just did an updated review on this item, so if you're interested in this, definitely check it out. I use this as my wallet. We still have a few more items. So the next thing is this Lavender hand sanitizer wipes. And I got these at Whole Foods, guys. So if you're looking for some hand sanitizer, period, Whole Foods seems to be like the place to go to. But also they have these wipes. Definitely comes in handy, obviously to keep my hands clean, but also when I'm wiping down surfaces or if I have to touch something. I have the biggest flex of 2020. That's what my son calls hand sanitizer right now. He says it's the biggest flex of 2020 if you could pull out some hand sanitizer. So I think that's quite funny. You know, gotta keep it young for you guys too. So that's what my teenage son is saying is a flex, is hand sanitizer. And thankfully I do have quite a bit. I just picked up from Target. It's their hand sanitizer with aloe. Guys, try to be mindful of moisturizing your hands as well, especially because we're washing so much and using a lot of hand sanitizer dries out our hands. So we want to make sure we're keeping our hands moisturized. So if anything says with aloe, that adds moisture, you want to check it out. I have 2 hand creams. So I have my all-time favorite. You guys know this one, the L'Occitane Shea Butter hand cream. You guys know this one. It's my favorite. So I have that one. But I also have this Gold Bond Ultimate Skin Therapy Healing Aloe hand cream. So obviously, like I said, I'm being very mindful of keeping my hands moisturized, and this has been just an extra because this is almost on its last leg, and so I just picked this one up. And the last thing I have is a car key. I have my other car key in my Louis Vuitton key holder, but you guys may know or not know I have 2 cars, and this is my other car key. Keep it in there just because whatever car I'm taking, it's just easy. I always keep this key just in whatever handbag I'm using. So that's what I'm carrying around in my bag. Okay guys, before we go, I have something exciting to share with you. This right here is the giveaway. I don't even want to touch it and open it, but this is the brand new pillow bag that I'm giving away. I just want to show you guys. It's all wrapped up and brand new, and this one's mine. So there's no editing tricks here, guys. Like, whoever is gonna win my giveaway is gonna get this particular exact bag. I just wanted to put it away and make sure it's nice and safe for whoever wins the giveaway. But if you don't know, I'm giving away a Marc Jacobs mini pillow bag on my channel. Right now I'm running a giveaway, and I think with all that's happening, what a lovely thing. Like, go subscribe so you can enter the giveaway. The giveaway details in the video about the giveaway will be down below. But I'm really happy that I am running a giveaway at a time like this to possibly uplift someone else or bring some excitement or joy to them. Also, like, one of my love languages, guys, is gift giving. So I love giving away gifts. So this is actually uplifting me too, the fact that I'm going to be sending this off to someone very soon. So if you're not subscribed, definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button. On my channel, I talk about fashion, lifestyle, and travel. And please don't forget to hit that bell so you'll always be notified when I upload. Thank you so much for watching today. As always, guys, if you have any questions or comments, let me know in the comment section below. Until next time, guys.